What did you say?
I told you my negotiation skills would work.
How much is this trip again?
100. He said 120.
Very good.
Ah, congratulations.
No, I'd lower the price.
Is it low ride or fast ride?
Yeah, it's a bit fast. It's a
Fast
speedboat.
ride? Oh no!
It's a speedboat for. You call it a speedboat for one reason, and that reason is. Hello, my name is Luke Darwin, and today we are on a ship. I mean a boat, a speedboat. Look to your look. This started like 20 minutes ago. I'm with my titos and my parents and my tito. It's good, trust me.